Hello everyone, welcome to Code Clip. So in this video we are going to solve lead code problem number 1952, that is 3 divisors. So let's go to the problem statement. So the problem statement says that given an integer n, return true if n has exactly 3 positive divisors, otherwise return false. An integer m is a divisor of n if there exists an integer k such that n is equal to k star m. So what they are asking, we are having one input integer that is n, and we have to return true if the input integer n is having exactly 3 positive divisor, otherwise we have to return false. And here they have given the definition of divisor, that is for any multiple m we need to have a constant k. For it should be like this. So how we can find that any integer is having only 3 divisor? So for having 3 divisors, uh, like for the numbers, like I will open this, yeah. So for numbers, for positive numbers 1 and 2, so for 1 and 2 we can't have 3 positive divisor, because for 1 we are having only one divisor. For 2 we are having 1 and 2 as a divisor, so we are having 2 divisor here for 2. For 3 we are having 1 and 3 as divisor. For 4 we are having 1, 2 and 4. So our first positive integer which is having 3 divisor is 4. We don't have any integer before 4 which is having exactly 3 divisor. So now what we can do is, for having exactly 3 divisor, like for numbers greater than 2, for numbers greater than 2 or equal to 2, all the numbers are having, for nums greater than 2, all numbers are having at least 2 divisor, are having at least 2 divisor, that is 1 and itself. If you take example of 2, 3, 4, 5, every number above 2 or 2, all the numbers are having at least 2 divisor. So these two are the fixed 1 and itself are a fixed divisor for any number greater than or equal to 2. And now we are having option only to get one more divisor. And for one more divisor, for getting one more divisor, that divisor into that divisor only should be equal to number. Like if we want to get a divisor of 9, so 1 and 9 is already a divisor. So we have to find one more divisor. That divisor into divisor should be equal to number. So that number should be a perfect square. So what we can do is, we'll check that if a number is perfect square, we'll check that if a number is perfect square and not having any divisor other than 1 and itself. So this condition is satisfied by itself. We don't need to check any more thing, like if any number is greater than or equal to 2, the number is divisible by 1 and itself. We just need to check that number is a perfect square and number is not divisible by any number lesser than that except 1 and itself. Yeah. So now let's come to the coding part. Yeah. So coming to the coding part, first we'll check if number is 1 or 2. If n is equal to 1 or n is equal to 2, then what we can do, we can directly return false. Now what we can check is if number is perfect square or not. If square root of n, if floor of square root of n is equal to ceil of this will give that if a number is perfect square or not. If floor square root of a number is equal to ceil square root of number, then it is a perfect square. And if it is not equal, then it is not satisfying our condition and we can return it as false. Now coming to the third part, if we encounter any other divisor other than this square root number, then we can return false. If we can use for loop over if I is equal to we have directly written false for 1 and 2, so we can do I is equal to 2 from here. I star I lesser than I plus plus if n modulo I is equal to 0, return false. So what we are doing over here is that if any number lesser than the number is dividing that number, means we are getting greater number of divisor. So if we get any divisor like for number 6, if we get divisor 2, then in that case there will come another divisor, that is 3. So that will increase number of divisor to 4 at least in that case. So like this we are checking this thing over here and we are returning false. And if all these case pass successfully, then we can return true. Sorry. Okay, so now let's run the code. Yeah, so it is accepted. Let me submit. Yeah, so it is accepted, and thank you for watching the video.